Let's answer a question I hear all the time. Can you do SEO yourself? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can, but here's the catch. SEO isn't just about adding a few keywords to your homepage or writing a blog post once a week. Real SEO, the kind that gets you to rank on Google, involves strategy, research, optimization, and consistency, right? You need to learn how to find keywords your customers actually search, how to structure your pages as Google can crawl them, how to optimize your website speed, mobile layout, and also the metadata, how to earn backlinks without getting penalized, and how to keep everything updated with every algorithm change. It's doable, but let's be honest, it's a full-time job. You can Google your way through it, but it'll take months of trial and error, and the delay could be costing you leads and sales right now, right? That's why most serious business owners eventually bring in an expert in the SEO field. Someone who can look at your site, your market, and also your goals, and know exactly what needs to be fixed. That's what we do at Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. We offer real, done-for-you SEO that build around your business, not a generic template. And if you're doing it yourself right now but feel stuck, I want you guys to go to KherkRoldanSEO.com and go to strategy session. Visit the link to book your free SEO strategy session with me. And we'll tell you what's working, what's not, and how to get better results, whether you do it your own or we do it for you.